Welcome to this tutorial video on rotational motion. Today we'll be solving an exam question. You can pause the video to attempt the question on your own. So we're given a mass of 0.5 grams, which is suspended by a string 50 centimeters and has a radius of 25 centimeters. And we're told to calculate the angular speed in radians per second. Alright, so in this question, this scenario, we're going to consider the equation tan theta, which will be equals to the angular speed times the radius divided by the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, now we have to find the value of theta. So for us to find the value of theta, we use the sine ratio, sine theta of 25 degrees or 25 centimeters, sorry, which is radius, divided by 50, which is simply taking the inverse of sine to find the value of theta. We should get sine inverse in this case will be equals to 0.5, which will be 30. So the value of theta is 30 degrees in this question. Now replacing in the values that have been given and making w squared, the angular speed, to be the subject of the formula, we should get, okay, w will be equals to the square root of tan theta, which will be multiplied by the gravitational acceleration and divided by the radius. Okay, so angular speed w, replacing in the values of already found the value of theta, this will be tan 30 times 9.8, the gravitational acceleration, which will be divided by the radius. Our radius given in the question is 25 centimeters, but we need to convert it from centimeters to meters, and when you do the conversion you should get 0.25, and doing the calculation properly you should get to say the value of w, the angular speed in this case, should be 4.76 rad per second. And this is how we're going to find the angular speed in rads per second. So I believe you guys pause the video and you try the question on your own. If you faced any difficulties, you can simply leave your comments in the chat section, leave a like, subscribe.